In this video, we are going to show you how to prepare your machine for transporting. The method of transporting differs with whether the machine will be used within 6 months after transport or stored for more than 6 months without use after the machine has been transported. If the machine is going to be stored for more than 6 months before it's used again, continue to watch this video. Before you begin, be careful and make a note that the tilt angle of the machine should never be more than 40 degrees during transportation or otherwise. First, check and prepare the required number of ink tank and maintenance cartridge replacements. To do this, select Status Monitor on your Operations Panel home screen, then Device Information and Printhead Information. After reinstalling the machine after transport, consumables are often required according to their replacement rank. Print out or make a note of the cartridge replacement rank and the ink tank information. Unload any paper from the paper trays and drawers. Next, check for the printhead locking rod. Select Menu, then Adjustment Maintenance, then Maintenance, followed by Maintenance Cartridge Replacement. Select Unlock and open the front cover. Check the printhead locking rod is present. Close the front cover. Return to the Operations panel and select Menu in the home screen. Then Adjustment Maintenance. Then Maintenance, followed by Preparation for Transporting. Enter your System Manager login credentials. Check the message and confirm that you will not be using the machine for at least 6 months. If so, you will want to absorb the ink into the maintenance cartridge before transporting. Select Yes. Once you have begun preparation to transport the machine, it cannot be halted. If no consumable replacements are ready, do not start preparation. Check the message and ensure you have new consumables ready if required. Then press Yes. Let's start by removing the ink tanks. When your machine seeks permission to unlock the front cover, select Unlock. Open the front cover. Remove all the ink tanks by twisting them anti-clockwise and sliding them out. Close the front cover. As you have already checked to see if the locking rod is present, select No. The machine will now start draining all of the ink. This could take up to 50 minutes, so please be patient and don't turn off your device during this process. You will then be asked if you would like to initialize all settings. Select either Yes or No. By selecting Yes, the machine will restore all data, including logs and setting values, back to their default settings at the time of purchase. Select this at times such as when the user of the machine is changing. By selecting No, the machine will save your current settings. The machine will start preparing for transportation. Select Unlock. When Open Front Cover is displayed, open the front cover. Remove the maintenance cartridge and place it in a plastic bag. Close firmly to prevent ink from spilling out. Remove the handhold cover and close the front cover. Select Unlock once again and open the front cover. Remove the printhead locking rod stowed in the machine and insert it into the slot. After pushing it all the way in, lower the lever to the left. Close the front cover and read the instructions on the screen carefully. When you are ready, turn off the machine and begin to disconnect the cables and cords in this order. Begin with the power plug at the wall, followed by the power cord by unfastening and removing the cord clamp. Next, disconnect the LAN cable and then the USB cable, followed by the handset cable and then the external telephone and finally the telephone cable. Next, remove the book holder and this paper drawer cover at the bottom. If an optional cassette feeding unit is installed, remove the stabilizer from the right side of the cassette feeding unit. You are almost ready to transport your WG7000. Make sure you use the handholds to move. The machine is heavy and you will need 4 people to lift it safely. It's a good idea to bundle your machine. Use tape to secure these 3 locations on the right-hand side like this. To transport the cassette feeding unit, be sure to lift it using the handholds with 2 or more people. Congratulations, you are now ready to relocate your WG7000 and store it for more than 6 months.